Hello, this is Patrick from XPression. I'd like to show you a new feature in XPression 8.5 and higher, the ability to lock a layer while it's online. I'm in the sequencer in XPression. You can see here I've got a couple of TakeIDs, and they're scheduled to play on layer 20 on output called frame buffer 2. So I'm going to come over and put in 2050 in my reader, and I'm going to hit the take button. That plays the graphic on screen. And 2100 right behind it, when I play that, you can see it exercises transition logic and plays that, and then I can take 2100 off screen. You can see they all animate. Well, I'm going to come back up to 2050. I'm going to come down to the take item inspector, and down here in the field for target, you'll see that there's a spot to pick a frame buffer and a layer, and there's a new checkbox called lock layer when online. It sees that it tells you that it's locking the layer, preventing other items from being taken online, or taking this off without taking this graphic off first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the checkbox. Now that I've done that, when I play 2050 and play that online, you'll see it's online. If I try to play 2100 right behind it, it queues, but it won't play. How come? Because 2500 has the lock layer turned on. Now I can play it off if I put 2050 back on. And I come down to my take item inspector and turn off the lock layer mode and play 2100 behind it, it'll animate on again the way that it normally would. But if I want to lock that layer so that nothing else can take its place, that's what this checkbox is about. Now if I try to play 2050 behind 2100, it won't go. So that's what lock layer when online is set to do.